Namaste dear students, welcome back. Hope you people are doing good. So I'm come up with one more problem in indices, problem number 66. Problem number 66. So that is y to the power of x equals 25 to the power of y equals 125 to the power of z. Prove that 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by z equals 2 divided by y. So I believe you know the forming of equation. 5 to the power of x equals k, that is k to the power of 1 divided by x equals 5. Okay. The same way 25 to the power of y equals k, that is equals k to the power of 1 divided by y equals 25. Same way 125 to the power of z equals k, k to the power of 1 divided by z equals 125. So now we have to form a equation. Okay, so let us form an equation. Let us form an equation. So that is 5 into 25 equals 125. That is correct. 5 25s are 125. So it is a correct. So now we have to bring the value of this. So while bringing the value, you must be careful, okay? Because whatever he has asked, we have to see, then we have to bring that value. See, everything is correct, but he has asked us to prepare 2 divided by y. 1 by x plus 1 by z equals 2 divided by y. So then we must be sure that when we convert to equation, when we form an equation, so that should bring the value of 2. Clear? So how you will bring the value of 2? See, what we will do, this equation, that is 5 into 25, that is equals 125. It is perfect equation. There is no question in it. But 2 we have to bring. So while writing, so first what I am doing, k to the power of 1 by x into k to the power of 25. So if I write k to the power of 1 by 5, 1 by y directly, so I don't get this, because he specifically asked 2. So I have to make it this equation which should come with the 2 value. So what I'll write, 25. So if you take a LCM, 5 5s are 25, 5 to the power of 2, correct, equals 125. So now what I'll do, k to the power of 1 by x into k to the power of 1 by y whole power 2 equals k to the power of 1 by z. So in the next equation, k to the power of 1 by x into 2 ones are 2. So k to the power of 2 divided by y equals k to the power of 1 by z. Okay. So now coming to the next equation. So that we are going to have next equation. So when we have this value, that is 2 by y, and 1 by x, 1 by z is common, but 2 by y is the different one. So in such a case, so we will change the equation to opposite side. So that is k to the power of 2 divided by y equals k to the power of 1 by z plus 1 by x. This I have shifted over here. That's all. So this I have shifted over here. LHS to RHS. Only this I am moving here. Okay. So that is what the next equation. So now let us form an equation. So let us frame equation. So when bases are same, you can frame an equation. So that is equals 2 by y equals 1 by z plus 1 by x. Okay. So whatever he has asked, if you bring it to the LHS, so that is 1 by x plus 1 by z equals 2 divided by y. Whatever he has asked, that has been proven. 1 year. Okay, I believe now you have understood clearly. Next I am moving to the problem number 67. So that is, if 2 to the power of a into 3 to the power of b into 6 to the power of x, sorry, c, 6 to the power of c, 6 to the power of minus c. Okay, show that ab plus bc plus ca equals 0. So framing an equation is easy, right? That is k. So k to the power of 1 by a, that is equals 2. Then 3 to the power of b equals k. So that is k to the power of 1 by b, that is equals 3. Then 6 to the power of minus c equals k. So that is k to the power of 1 divided by minus c equals 6. Okay, so now we got the figures to form an equation. Okay, so let us frame an equation. Let us frame an equation. So your equation will be what out of? That is 2, 3 and 6. So that is what we have. So let us 2 into 3, that is equals minus 6. So we should get minus 6, but 2 3 is a 6. Direct answer we are going to get. So now convert into the value, that is k to the power of 1 divided by a into k to the power of 1 divided by b, that is equals k to the power of 1 divided by minus c. Correct. So this is the equation. Since it is not a minus 6, so I am converting into 1 divided by c. Okay, 1 divided by c. So that is minus c. So now when powers are same, bases can be added and equated also. Correct. So 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b equals 1 divided by minus c. Till here you are clear, right? Fine. So now b ones are b plus a ones are a divided by a plus b is ab. So that is equals 1 divided by minus c. So now ab ones are ab ones are ab equals minus c into b plus e. So in the next level, ab equals minus c into b, minus c into b, that is c into b cb minus c into a c, minus c into a ca. So that is ab plus bc plus ca equals 0. Equals 0. Okay, we have proved that. So that is equals to 0. Clear? Or do you have any doubts in this? No, right? Fine. So let us move further for the next illustration or problem number 68. Problem number 68. That is x to the power of 1 by a equals y to the power of 1 by b equals z to the power of 1 by c and x y z equals 1. So show that a plus b plus c equals 0. A plus b plus c equals 0. So now we cannot x to the power 1 divided by a equals k, that is equals k to the power a, that is equals x. Same way x to the power 1 divided b equals k, that is k to the power b, because 1 divided b is there, so that is why. that is equals y. Next, x to the power of 1 by c equals k. So k to the power of c equals z. So now I got the equation pattern. So that is x into y equals z. Okay. So by framing that, x, y, z equals 1. So now what is the value of x? K to the power of a into k to the power of b equals k to the power of c. So now k to the power of a plus b this is all equals only, right? So then this is also into, okay, not equals, plus c. When bases are same, powers can be added, okay? So that is equals to 1, okay? So now in the next level, k to the power of a plus b plus c is equal to k to the power of a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So that is how we got to know this is 1 becomes 0, you getting confusion, right? A to the power 0 is equal to 1. So therefore 1 is equal to a to the power of 0. So that is why I made it 0 over here. So be clear. So if I remove the power, so the new equation will be what? A plus b plus c equals 0. Clear? A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Any doubt? No, right? Fine. So next I'm moving problem number 69. Problem number 69. A equals 10 to the power of x, b equals 10 to the power of y, and a to the power of y into b to the power of x whole power z equals 100. Prove that x, y, z equals 1. X, y, z equals 1. So that is, now I have to come up with a new equation, right? So let me take this part. That is a to the power of y into b to the power of x whole power z equals 100. Correct. So if I have to get 100, then it must be 10 and 10. 10 tens are 100. Correct. So what? 10, 10. See, here also he has given 10. A equals 10 to the power of x. B equals 10 to the power of y. Correct. So what we can do is, we can do the cross multiplication. So we can have a multiplication equation now. Okay, so that is, what we can do is, open, and again we have to have one more bracket. So that is 10 to the power of x whole power y into, same way, 10 to the power of y, this is b value, into x. So how do you got? A equals 10 to the power of x. So I have taken 10 to the power of x, a value, whole power y. Same way b value is 10 to the power of y. So I have taken 10 to the power of y, whole power x I have taken. Clear? For this we have a whole power, that is z. That is equals to 100. That is equals to 100. Clear? Okay. So now in the next equation, that is 10 to the power of x into y, xy, okay, into 10 to the power of y into x, yx, whole power z equals 100. Z equals 100. Clear? So now 10 to the power of xy into z, xyz, into 10 to the power of yxz, that is equals xyz, equals 100. So now let us convert to the next level. 10 to the power of 2xyz. 2xyz equals 100. Clear? 10 to the power of 2xyz equals 100. So now if I wanted to bring an equal equation, that is 10 to the power of 2 is 100. Correct? 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 2xyz equals 10 to the power of 2 is 100. So 2 gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. So let us, this 2 remains here. Let us frame an equation now. So I am doing it here because only 2 steps left out. So that is, I am copying this. 10 to the power of 2xyz equals 10 to the power of 2. Clear? So now if I want to form an equation, equation will be 2xyz equals 2. So let us cancel 2 and 2. So xyz is equal to 0. Correct? So 0 is always is equal to 1. That is, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. By this law, this is 1. So as they have asked, prove that xyz equals 1, xyz equals 1, we have proved. Clear? Yes. So let us go with one more variety of problem. Problem number 70. Problem number 70. That is root x equals root 2 plus root 3. Prove that x square minus 10 x plus 1 equals 0. Okay. So now here it is bit, you feel like a bit complicated one, but it is not complicated. You have to analyze it. So x to the power of 2, that is equals to 2. So that is 2 we should get commonly. So then when you equate, so you will get the squaring of figure. So what you have to do now? You have to square. So squaring both the side, squaring both the side, both the sides, both the sides. So that is root x whole power 2 equals root 2 plus root 3, that is whole power 2, that is whole power 2. So in the first equation, what I am doing, I will write this root x whole power 2 equals root 2 whole power 2 plus root 3 whole power 2. So clear? Any doubt? 2 and root 2 get cancelled, root and 2 get cancelled. So x equals root 2 whole power 2 plus root 3 whole power 2 plus 2 into root 2 into root 3. So now you are wondering how I got this, right? So it is very simple. So I am applying that law over here, that is a plus b whole square. How that? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Correct? So if I apply for this, if I apply for root 2 plus root 3 whole power 2, that is equals, what happens? Root 2 into root 3, that is equals root 2 into 3, that is equals root 6. Clear? You got the figure, right? So the same application I have done here. So this is the working note for your reference. It is not related to problem. For your reference I have done here. So next, moving further. x equals x equals. So now if I cancel root and here 2 root 2 get cancelled. So 2 plus 3 equals, that is 2 plus 3 plus, it is also plus, right? So 2 root 6, 2 3 is a 6 root. Okay, so that is x equals 5 plus 2 root 6. So if I do this LHS and RHS, so that is x into 5 plus or minus x into 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. 2 root 6. So now again squaring both the side. Squaring both the side. Both the side. Squaring both the side. So what are we going to do? If we get the square in both the side, that becomes x minus 5 square equals 2 root 6 whole square. So now what are we going to do? We will cancel 2 root. That is 2 and root are we are going to cancel. Okay, so here I am applying a minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that is I am applying over here. So if you don't know this, then you cannot solve this. Okay, so that becomes x square plus 5 square minus 2x 2 into x into 5. So that is 2, 2 into x into 5. So that is how much? 4 into 6. Okay, 4 into 6. So now x square plus 5 square, that is 5 5s are 25 minus 2 5s are 10x equals 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So next step, x square minus 10x plus 25 plus 25 minus 24, that is equals 0. So in the next equation, what are we going to get? X square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So this is what an equation they are asked us to prepare. So that is x square minus 10x plus 1 equals 0. So that has been proved with this equation. Okay, I believe you have understood. So these are all bit tricky questions. So next class we'll have few more problems of this kind. Then I'm going to wind up this particular unit. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home. Don't come out of your house unnecessarily. And always be positive. Think positive. Do positive. And enjoy e-learning. Don't stop learning. Okay. So see you soon. Bye bye.